Hey guys, I'm Mark Geek. In this video, I have a very cool look at another watch band, but this time around, this is for the Google Pixel Watch. Yes, this is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. I already did a video for one of these cases, but for the Galaxy Watch 5. You see right here, this one is green. I believe this one is actually black, the one that I'm going to get for the Pixel Watch. But I already did a video for this one. This is actually for the Pixel Watch. So if you're owning one of these and you want to make it rugged because you think it's too delicate, this might be for you. So here, like you see here, you only have the instructions on how to put it on, which is very, very simple. That's something that I really love about these cases. There's nothing more on the inside. That's very brain simple to actually put it in. Because, you know, let's go and change this, take this off. So this, of course, this is how it works. You know, it has a different kind of bands. We're just going to take this off first. We're going to click it here, right? Click it like that. And yep, it comes off like that, right? So this is the case. This is the sub case. So you see here, you see the brand right there. And this is how it looks. It makes it look like a Casio, you know, one of those rugged phone. And what we're gonna do, of course, it has the opening here for this right here, right? So we're gonna actually line that up. Make sure that's actually lined up. Once you line that up, then all you gotta do is just push it in, and that's it. So the watch is already inside of it, perfectly installed. There you have it. Look at that. That looks so damn cool. Okay, that looks so damn cool. It still charges because the charger actually goes there magnetically. So you're not going to have a problem charging your watch at all with this case on. And let's go ahead and see how it actually looks put on. Dun, dun. I think it actually is a little bit smaller than the one that I did for the green one. Okay. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Nice, huh? Oh yes, baby. Way, way better. Because normally it has like all around, it's like, you know, a lot of glass. You know, this watch has a lot of glass around. So adding this case actually adds a lot of protections surrounding the watch, which is gonna make it more, you know, suitable. Like if you're working in a construction area or something like that, or you're like me. Sometimes I walk like kind of clumsy and swing my arms around and hit the wall with the watch like I did yesterday. So yeah, this might be for you because it will definitely protect your Galaxy, your Pixel watch. And it looks great. You know, it looks great. It makes the watch look a little bit more rugged, a little bit more bigger. Because with these, the watch actually, it feels a lot smaller than the normal Galaxy Watch 5 that I have. But this actually makes it look a lot better, in my opinion. You know, a little bit more rugged. It looks good. And of course, the price of this is actually very cheap. It goes for around $21 or $22. Now, I checked Amazon. I'm going to leave links for the watch and the band. I'm going to leave links for it in descriptions, but I didn't see any other color available. Like, for example, this color is from the same brand. But I didn't see the green color for this watch. I hope they actually do bring it because I love this green color. And I think a lot of people would actually enjoy this green color, or blue or white. But yeah, I only saw from Supcase, I only saw this actually color, which is the black color. And, you know, you got the UB right there, Unicorn Beetle right there, and Supcase right there, and that's it. So yeah, it looks really damn nice. I really love it. Look at that. This is one of my favorite watch faces. It has the watch over here, and it has the weather, the date, and the heart rate right there. Really cool. Really, really, really awesome. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about it. I'll leave links in my descriptions just in case you're interested in getting this case or band case for the Google Pixel Watch. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye-bye.